Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, are you looking to build a food or restaurant website in WordPress? So in this tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can create stunning food or restaurant website using WordPress theme Woodmart. Woodmart is one of the popular best selling theme which also offer great features along with nice performance and speed. So don't skip this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So before we go into video, we will make sure our permalink set to post name. For that, make sure you already install WordPress on your hosting platform. Once you install WordPress, and then you have to go to setting option, click on permalinks. In the permalinks, we will make sure our permalink set to post name. In some cases, permalink set to some other options, but those are not recommended. I always suggest you keep it on post name and then save changes. Next step, we will install our WordPress theme. To build restaurant or food website, we will use Woodmart theme. Make sure you already have Woodmart theme file. If you're looking for discount, and you will find link in description. After you purchase your theme, we will go to appearance section and click on themes. And here you have to upload your theme zip file, not rar file. If you download your rar file, you have to extract it. Once you extract it, you have to go in the folder, the name theme folder, where you will find another zip file, woodmart.zip. So you have to upload by clicking here, add theme, and click on upload theme. Once you already install and activate your Woodmart theme, you will see this dashboard here. As I already complete those process and I already activate my theme, in this process we will go through step by step. So let me click on let's get start here, and then you have to make sure your theme license activate on your domain name. And then we also install child theme file here. Child theme file we use in order to make any changes in the backend while our website live, so our live theme will not affect if we have a child theme file. Then after you install child theme, you have to click on next step. In the next step, we will choose our page builder. If you want to build your website using Elementor, then you have to choose Elementor here. And if WP Bakery, you have to choose WP Bakery. But we already have another tutorial. If you want to learn how to make website with using WP Bakery and Elementor, we already have a Woodmart playlist where you will find a lot of Woodmart videos. So let me choose here Elementor and click next step. In the next step, we will install all these plugins. Elementor and Woodmart core is required. Woodmart core provide us functionality. Elementor we use to customize or edit our theme pages. And then Woodmart is required to enable e-commerce functionality, contact form 7. So we have a contact form on our website, and MailChimp we use for newsletter, Safe SVG which support SVG files on our website. So let me click on here, install and activate all right away. So we have successfully installed and activate all the required plugins, and now we will click on next step. In the next step, we will choose theme demo or theme template file for our WordPress website. Here we will scroll down and we will find the template for food or restaurant. So let me scroll down further, and we will look for template name restaurant or food. Okay, so we will choose this template name food. Let me review this template here. You also can review all the templates you require, but the customization for all these templates are pretty similar. And you can see here the templates looks very good. It's you can display about your restaurant, video journey to Italian, classic cuisine, and then we have a featured meals, beautiful banners, and you can display your menu here or new offers on your restaurant. And then we have a videos. You can provide videos here, some cookbooks here, and then some more information about the restaurant and testimonial. And also we have a map here, and you also can you will also able to make a reservation here. We can customize all these things as according our business or restaurant, because I was working on one of my client for restaurant website. So I think this is a good great time. So I make this video and teach you how you can also create this stunning restaurant website. So let me go ahead, choose this food template here and click on import. So it will take a little time to import the demo content, and still we have to stay here. Do not refresh your WordPress page till we complete this process of installation of demo content. So we will stay here. Okay, so we have successfully import our demo content. As you can see here, content has been successfully imported. And now let's click on next step, where we can directly click here WooCommerce setup or theme setting or header builder. Let me show you first our website, how our website will look like. And you have to scroll here upper side nearby your website name. How you can change your website name here, you have to go to setting, click on general. In the general option, first option, you will able to change your website title, provide tagline, and some more information. Okay, so let me check my home page. Let me click on visit site. I will open into new tab to ensure if everything we have got all the widgets, all the images and sections for complete home page. As you can see, our home page looks good, and we will start customizing our home page. And I will also show you how to display the map for location here. To start customizing, we can directly click here edit with Elementor, because we choose Elementor. When you hover your mouse to edit with Elementor, and you will see there are different types of post types which implement in this home page. So to customize, we can directly click here edit with edit with Elementor, and we will immediately start customizing our home page. So before we go into customization, we have to do some basic setting. We have to visit our backend to the theme setting. For the theme setting, you can always visit to the theme setting option and click on theme setting or general option. So we will talk about first our header section, which is very important. So how we can change our logo here and some other menu sections. So for that, we have to visit. First, you have to look which header has been used on your home page. You always can check your about your header section in the general and layout option. You have to keep in mind header food overlap is used in the header section. If you want to choose other header section or other header, you can try out select other header here. If I choose default header layout and then save changes, our header will change. So that depends on you which header layout you want to keep. If you want to go with the default one, you can also go. Now I will show you our header section will be changed. Let me open my website into new tab. Sometime we use in same browser due to cookies, the changes not take effects. So if I open into new tab, let's check out if our header section has been changed. Yeah, as you can see, our header section has been changed to something else, but rest will remain the same as it is. Only the header section will be changed. So if you want to keep the default one looks good, so we will back to the setting and choose the header food over our default header layout. Yeah, this one, and save options. Yes, this one. But if you want to make the logo in the center, I will also show you how you can make it on a center or left side if you want to change the location of your logo here. Okay, now let's go edit our header section first. For that, we will go to Woodmart and header builder option. In the header builder option, first we have to ensure we are customizing the right header layout to avoid any delay of work. So we have used here header base overlap light. So you also will see here the star icon. That means this header has been used on our website. So we have to click here edit. Now we have a logo, and the middle we have a main menu and then account search wish list. So if you want to make your header or here logo in the center, you can easily drag your logo to the center and main menu to the left section. This way you can align where you want to keep your logo. To edit logo, we have to scroll our mouse to the logo and you will see little edit button or pencil icon here, little bit the smaller one. Click edit and here you will see your logo. So let me remove this logo and upload my own logo to just show you how you can add the logo. So let me choose this logo, any of these logo. Okay, then there is option for logo width to adjust the height. Let me show you here to adjust the height and width for your logo. So for now we will not make any changes. We for now we will just simply click save and save header to ensure if our logo looks good. Otherwise we will adjust height and width again. So our logo will be in the center because we drag in the center earlier. Yeah, our logo looks good. I want to make little bit smaller. So I will go again to head. So you can open two tabs. One tab you can review your work, another tab you can edit. So now let me go back to the logo, edit, and this time from 180 I will reduce to 150, around 150 or 145, and save header. Now we will check if our logo has been adjusted or we need to adjust little bit more. It should be little smaller. Okay, our logo looks good now, enough. And then now we will work on these menu tabs. My account, we will keep it as it is. Okay, and then we will go to banner, edit everything else. Okay, now let's go to main menu. Same way we edit logo, same way here, hover your mouse to main menu and edit. In the choose menu, if you not yet create your menu, you have to choose your menu here. Before you go to this option, I can suggest you first to make your menu section, menu options. So first of all, before everything, we will go to pages and click on all pages to ensure which pages we have, how many pages we have on our website. We have about us, blog, cards, checkout, all are important pages, so we will not delete it. So this a particular page is front page. As you can see label here, front page. So that means this particular page is front page, my account page. So all are important pages. Now, so first you have to decide what type of page you wanna display in the menu, in the header here. So it can be about us. Um, you can display about the menu here, or deals or featured meals. It can be like offers here in the menu, and in the offer you can display the this whole uh, area, or you can make separate page for the featured menu or side dishes. For everything you can make separate page for the offers. So right now the offer display on the home page, and this is easy to customize. We will also customize here, but in case some clients want to make separate page for the offer or menu, in those cases we have to display here also, right? Then we will create another page. I will show you later on. And we can also easily copy this whole section and display in the new page. So about us, contact us on some other page, blog page. Okay, so now let's create our menu. Visit appearance, click on menus. In the menus we have to create new menu. So we will because right now we import our demo content. With the demo content there are multiple pages right now. Otherwise you can also keep like for cooking, sorry, furniture. We are building on restaurant, so cooking, you can also display the dishes here. You can make categories. How you can make a category for different dishes? You have to visit the option under Woodmart products and click on categories. You will able to create or change your restaurant categories here. So let me show you quickly here. Yeah, we have a furniture. We will delete all other, we don't need it. We can keep the cookings. If you need add more, you can also add more options or categories here. Okay, so now let's create our menu. Let me go back to the menu. I want to create my own menu, so we will not avoid any confusion. I have a lot of menus here comes with the demo content. So the better is we can create our own menu. Click on create new menu. And in the under the menu name you have to provide my menu. Only just anything you can put here, anything for just you can display like my menu. You can enter something else, main menu can be, but main menu we already have that. Make sure you enter something else here, my menu. And then I will select main menu immediately here. So because we wanna display this particular, we are building this menu to display in the main menu, so we will choose main menu. You also can implement this same menu in the mobile units, mobile side menu. Okay, but for now let's select main menu here, display location, create menu. When we start creating menu, our menu empty now. So let me show you how you can drag different pages in the menu section, because in the header menu is very important. And when we customize all these sections on the home page, we will go through step by step also. And we have featured menu, food feature menu, food side menu, where you find all these things. I will show you later on. You also can go one by one all these, like promo pop-up and menu home, footer one column, footer food featured menu, and it will allow you to edit that particular section. But we will add it together, add it with Elementor. Then we will look which element used here and where it present in the backend. Okay, so our menu is empty now here, and I will look here pages section in the left side and click on view all first, and then select which page you want to display in the menu. I want to display, I will keep select here blog, about us, contact us. These three are very important. And we have a shop, we can display the shop page. Okay, and what else, we have all this. Click add to menu. After selection, click add to menu, it will auto add here, but we have to drag it here, like here, here. Okay, let me remove the shop. About shop we will check later. And then we have scroll down, we will see like product categories, we have products. Even we can display the product directly here. And sidebar slides, html blocks. Yeah, html blocks we can display here immediately. These are similar to pages one. These are pre-built html blocks. Okay, you can also use in the menu these things. Linked variation, layouts, nothing. Okay, so for now let's keep these three. Let me save menu, and you will see all these three tabs will be added to our menu. As you can see, our menu is here: about us, blog, and contact us. So later on we will add some more pages here. So now let's start customizing our banner section here. To customize, we will click on edit with Elementor. Don't need to select anything here, just click edit with Elementor. Click on it, or go to your pages, select all pages, and find your home page where it located. As I earlier I show you, there is a label of front page Elementor, this one. So on the edit with Elementor, we will click here, edit with Elementor. The same option, same customize area will be open. Now we will follow one by one. First, where we wanna start editing, we can edit all these things. Welcome to our, about our restaurant, images, video journey, italic, classic cuisine. Okay, let me click on first banner anywhere. So let it open completely. So I have to wait here. Actually, the background you see here, that is just the image, this one. You can see here, this is just an image used. And you can see the text here, we can change anything. So I have to right click here on the mouse and click on edit slider. Okay, so that's why I explained earlier there are some HTML items used. So here also HTML, because we don't have more option to edit any title or buttons. So it say directly slider has been used here. That means food slider. So how we will find this food slider? So let me go back to WordPress. Let's click on slides. You will see option slides and open all items. So because slides, sidebars, and some projects all are available, present in the backend WordPress. So the first food slide, first and two, we have two. Which one we should add it? So here both of slider has been used here. So if it will be swipeable here, slide, it's a slider. Now it's second open here, so it means there are two sliders used. So two sliders, same two slider are here, so we have to edit or customize them both. If you're using Woodmart for multi-vendor website or e-commerce, anywhere you see this option slider or selected slider, which slider used, you have to directly look for slider option in the Woodmart and click all item to check which slider present here. Then you can customize your sliders. Let me go to food. Sorry. Let me go to food slide number one, added with Elementor. Let me open into new tab. So we will first customize our first banner, first slider, sorry. And then we will customize it second. So now we will able to edit the titles, button, everything. Okay, so let me click on upper side here. Just to bring your mouse where you want to add it and double click on it. And when you double click left side, there will be a box used. You have to change your text here. So artwork is a landscape of ideas. You can change it easily. Select all, delete the old one. Welcome to my, just I'm going to provide random titles here just to show you. But when you customize it, you have to provide your own nice titles. Okay, welcome to my restaurant, and don't forget to always, when you make changes, click here publish. Okay, your work will be saved, and now you will see it's changed. Welcome to my restaurant. Next, Italian cuisine tradition. Click on it, double click, and scroll down a little bit, and you will see there is a title in the middle. So subtitle not used here, but you can also use subtitle here. Okay, if you want to give more detail in the small letter somewhere down here, then you can like enjoy your meals. Okay, now the subtitle will show here also in the very small letter, subtitle we call it. Enjoy your meal. Then Italian, you can change it here in the title, Italian cuisine tradition. Okay, and then culture and event, scroll down little bit again and double click on it, and now change it here also. Now let's edit our menu. To edit menu, just hover your mouse to the button, right click, edit button, or double click on button anywhere. Double click on the button, and here in the left side again, customize option will be open. First is text, where you can change, see our menu. Okay, so this is what I said earlier. We have to create separate page for the menu. Right now we have present the menu in the home page somewhere here. We can easily copy this and make separate menu page for that. And then we will, someone click here, see our menu, we will provide here link of our new page. Okay, so here on the button there is no link, only hashtag, so we will keep it as it is. But you can change this text if you wanna display like here, order now, and you wanna someone click here, they visit to another page or external website, they will do, you have to provide the relevant link here. Someone click here, they will visit to this particular link. Okay, you can also provide here like contact us, then you have to delete the hashtag, then you have to start con contact. It will auto suggest you then which page you want to choose, then look for the page option. Okay, you also can choose direct the element, which element used here in the menus. Let me check this one, images. Okay, yeah, three tabs. In the each tab there is a HTML block called food featured menu. Yeah, it's HTML block. So that means you also can link here HTML blocks direct. So when you customize here, look, click anywhere on the menu, right click, edit tabs. So because these are tabs, featured menu, side dishes, enter salad. Okay, so under the tab option, when you right click edit tabs, you will see three option. Click on tabs, and let's click on first item tab, featured menu. Yeah, this one, featured menu. Under the featured menu, which HTML block, you can see here content type is HTML block. So HTML block has been used here, the name food featured menu. If you want to link this one to the main page here, so you have to search for what, food feature, just start typing, it will suggest you immediately there is a food feature menu HTML block, you can link this one. Okay, so someone click here, see our featured menu or our menu, and they will go to this particular here, this particular option or page HTML block. So let me give you example. I already select this one and publish now. I will show you. Now let me just refresh my website or open into new tab. If someone now click that button, they will go to an extra HTML page where you can easily customize that one and put your own menus there. Here, you can customize it totally. Okay, now our changes are here. Welcome to my restaurant, enjoy your meal. The changes already there. So now let's me click on view our menu. If it's work, see our menu, click on it, and now it will bring see, now it bring us to the same option for the menu we see here. We can make it scrollable. If we have more items, we can easily make this one. Okay, but I will prefer you must have separate page for the menu, so we can design that one with a good way. But we can also design this one. If you want further design, we can make another HTML block for that or page. Okay, then we will copy the whole element into new page. So let me quickly show you that one. I will go to add page. Let me now add page. You can follow me if you want to create any separate page or another page. So I will name it uh, restaurant menu or our menu. Yeah, our menu is good, but you can provide something else if you want. Our menu. I will simply scroll down little bit and to check if there is any changes. Custom header, we don't want custom header. Sidebar, page title. Okay, so let me easily publish this one right away without any content. Publish, and then after that we will click here edit with Elementor. So let me immediately add it with Elementor. So this is my another tab open here. Earlier this tab, so where it is, yeah, this tab. So this home page, what I want, I make a new menu, right? The name our menu. So which option you want to display in the new page? So I want to display from here dinner menu. Instead of dinner menu, I will make a main menu, our menu, and let me easily copy it. How you can copy these elements to the new page? So this is our new page where our menu showing. Now the sidebar showing here, we don't want sidebar. So let me click on page setting, scroll down and select Elementor full width. Select here. Okay, perfect. Publish. Now we don't have any side menu. So I will paste here all the items. Let me copy. Right. You have to look here the main element where it linked to. For example, if you hover your mouse anywhere here, you can easily right click copy, and here right click copy, copy, and now I will go to the main page here where I will paste it. Or you can do one more thing here. You can use your HTML block here. Before you want a HTML block, right? In HTML block, we will make menu all the items there. So I have to only design something, some nice lines. Okay, for that either I can use text block here. I will drag it here. Okay, so let me delete this one, not this one. It should be section title. Yeah, section title should be here. Yeah, perfect. So now, but if you want to copy this one, same something this, let me right click, copy, and come over here in the box downside, paste, easily paste it. Now the same color or same font will be here. So let me delete that one. So I will make it, double click on it, explore our featured meals. Okay, let me delete that one. Okay, now next I want to display my menu here. Okay, great. So I will click here, add element. Now I have to search for HTML. Okay, HTML in the search, or I want to use blogs. So let me scroll down and I have to banner, information, portfolio. You also can use this one, Ajax product tabs. If you wanna make it filterable or product filter, let's drag product filter. Okay, not product filter. You also can add a product filter on your website if someone wanna filter by category, or because this is restaurant, so restaurant I don't think so we need it. So let me scroll down again and Ajax product tabs. Yeah, this one. Drag it here. Yeah, perfect. This one. Because we want to display our items, products, or meals. Okay, you can display, if you want to display meals here directly, it will able to book or purchase. But if you only want to display the menu, okay, or the only display all these items just as a menu, then let me go here. Okay, so I have to search for, let me delete this one. So I have to search here tabs only. Then I will look here, I think tabs. Yeah, tabs. Yeah, perfect. This one, tabs, we will use. So let me just delete that tab title first. We already have title there. And tab 1, tab 2. I want to give some space from the upper side section. So I will click on between the three elements of the upper header, upper title of explore our feature meals. Okay, or when you just double click on it and go to advanced section, and here bottom is reduced -50, so delete it. Okay, now we have enough space to the down section. If I close, you can check if you need another space, it's already good. So tabs already clickable. So now let me go to first tab. For the tabs, let me click on downside, image, or let's go to tab number 1, click on it. The tab number 1 will be, if you don't want a tab, just want to keep only single, you can also do that one. Or if you just want to only display the HTML here, let me show you that one. Let me first from tab 1 make it featured. Okay, only featured. Okay, tab 1 will be featured, and under the feature content type I will choose HTML block. In the content select I will choose the same menu here, featured, featured food, or yeah, food featured menu, because we want to display only menu here, because this is our menu page. Okay, perfect. So tab 2, if you want to add another items or another HTML block for separate things, you can also, then you have to make another HTML block for those. I will also show you how to make different HTML blocks. So tab 2, let me delete it. You can delete another tab if you don't want. But if you want to display something else, you also can display like if you have separate menu some for something else, like if you want to go with like one menu here and tab, someone click on the tabs, another item will be open. Okay, but otherwise this is already good for the display whole menu. Let me publish this one and check. Okay, perfect. I will click on review changes to check if everything is good. So now we have page our menu. So our menu is here already. We can display more menu if we need. And here we have some brands. We will remove all these things. Don't worry. Because all these tabs comes with the header section. When we customize our footer. When we customize our footer, we will remove this extra stuff. Okay. Then now we have our menu page. Let me copy the link of our menu or go to your main menu you customizing here. So where you wanna display here. So I already opened this one into HTML block. I remember, yeah, here. So let me refresh. This is HTML block we just earlier added a slider. Sorry, slider. This is the slider. So here we will choose that particular page we just made. So don't be confused because this is only slider. You will see here slider. So I am editing same slider number one, food slider number one, this one. Only just I make page to display under the menu. So someone click here, they will go to that particular page. Now I click on the button. So here link option open. Let me delete old link. So now I start typing the name of menu. What we keep name? It's our menu. Okay, name of the page. So I will search our, and you will see our menu will be here. So I will select it. Someone click here, they will go to our separate menu page. Okay, perfect. Now you have to customize the slider number 2 as well. Add it with Elementor. Okay, let me also show you. You have to also make changes here. You also have to make changes here. This is the slider number 2. The same way slider number 1 we did, same way here. Okay, now let me show you how to make multiple HTML blocks for other items. Let me go to HTML blocks, all items. The process is very same for each any type of website you're building with Woodmart. This is the process, very same process. You can follow this one. Okay, now let me look for food menu, food side menu. We have a lot of food feature menu. Okay, so here let me, you can also edit the particular one if you wanna display everything under one HTML block. So you have to just click the same way, edit with Elementor. This one, food feature menu, because this particular HTML block we use everywhere. Then also I will show you what is the purpose of these tabs. We have multiple tabs here, right? Feature menu, if someone click here side dishes, then which will be open? Same? No, not the same. So we have to check which HTML block use under the side dishes. So this is that item number 2. So have item number 2, and you can see here food side menu HTML block used here. So let me find food side menu will be here, food side menu. So you can name it something else if you want to keep it, remember. So let's go to the entry slot, something entry slot. So let's go to item number 3, and which one use here? Food feature menu, the same used here, but you can use different one HTML, then you have to make separate HTML. Okay, let me show you with making one HTML block, so that will be I think better. So for now Let's first add it food feature menu, and food feature menu added with Elementor, open into new tab. Let me open close other tabs. Okay, so here we will able to completely change our featured food menu. Featured food menu, you can make it name it all menu, everything. Then you can easily remove other tabs. You have to cancel the other tabs from here when you customize your home page. Three tabs, you have to cancel it. You have to keep one otherwise. So here, this is our customizing area. Now we can customize image. If I click on any of these are four boxes, four. Okay, now let me click on this one, braised pork, also buko. Click inside it, inside the box. Then you will see options here, left side title, to change the item title, description, put a description about this particular meal, and then put the price, because we only want to display price. But if you offer online book, then you have to make as product. Okay, so you have to go to first products, all products, and you will see there are multiple products. Then you have to add into product this particular item. So then you will able to add it here. Someone click here, it will be clickable after that. Okay, in the link, if you want to only display menu, then you don't need to fill up this link option. Okay, you have to skip this one. Image, you have to change it here, choose image. Okay, all our products here comes with the demo content, like classic wooden chair, long chair. Okay, but this is demo content. You have to provide your own items, own food items here. Then you have to link it here. Example, I want to link this product, HENEC. Okay, let me type first letter, HENEC. It will suggest you pull up the products you have. Okay, immediately it pull up, and you will see the label front product. It means it's product. Okay, this way. Otherwise you don't need to fill up this. The same way, you have to click one by one box. Click here, and keep change things like title. Now how if you want to make it you have a more items. Okay, then let me give you one tip here. You have to do hover to any of box here, right click, duplicate it. Simply it will duplicate one more item downside. Same process right side, duplicate it. It will duplicate, keep duplicate it. Okay, until you have all the menu publish here. Okay, then when you duplicate, after duplicate, click edit this one also. Okay, that not mean this will duplicate. Yeah, this will duplicate the content, but after duplicate it will be here. Then you have to also change it to new your menu, your own menu, new menu. Just our purpose to duplicate it to get extra box here downside. Okay, after everything good, publish it. When you publish it here on the home page, it will also change as you customize in the HTML blocks. Okay, side dishes, which at HTML block here, food side dishes, food side menu. Let me go to HTML menus. Okay, now let me go to HTML blocks, all item, and now I will look for food side menu. Here it is. You can change its name. You can quick edit it to change its name. It's a slug name. Slug name means URL. Okay, quick edit only to change name. First you can change its name, then go ahead edit with Elementor. Make sure you remember its name when you customize it here. Select your content, select HTML block content, then you will remember its name to select here. Okay, now let's talk about some other things after the main slider we already talked about. Welcome to our site, our restaurant. So first let's click on one by one image. First image, click on it. Just right click with the mouse easily. And then you will able to change this image. Let me change other image. Just to show you how you can change different image. You can upload your own image also by clicking upload files. Then you have to choose your own restaurant images here. Okay, let me choose this one or other. Make sure the image you choose should be the same size. Okay, so how I know this image, what size used? Okay, so now when you click with the mouse left side, it will give you option to choose image. Click choose image and then immediately look here, attachment detail. Immediately, not select, don't select anything. Immediately look here, attachment details, then look for this one, 400 by 600 pixel. That means this particular image is 400 width, 600 height. The height is always in the end. Okay, 400 by 600. When you create this image, 400 by 600 image, you have to make this particular size. So this will be looks good. That will look good on your website. Don't change its. For example, this image is same here size. So I will select this one just to show you. Now it will change image here. Yeah, perfect. So don't forget to select full here because we want to show full resolution, because in restaurant business I already have experience. We always display high quality images. And let me give you one more tip here. Some people they use cache plugin, speed optimization plugin. Make sure don't crop the image or don't compress the image. That will lose the quality. Okay, when you upload image here, immediately select image resolution to full. Let's edit this one, the tree, the leaves. This is also image right here. The image, this one is background is transparent. Okay, make sure when you if you want to choose, if you want to change, otherwise you can keep it. And then scroll down, you will see its width or height. If you have an image with different height and width, you can upload that one, but you have to choose the image resolution, put the same value 400 by 600. When you click on custom, 400 width, 600 height, make sure. Welcome to our site. Double click and change it here. Welcome to our site. Description, double click on it. Okay, about our, you can keep it. If you wanna, instead of restaurant, you wanna provide your restaurant name, just add it between the strong tag, that strong tag used to make it bold. Okay, if you wanna keep it bold, you have to keep the strong, you have to add it between the strong. Look for restaurant only word, you have to edit that one only. Don't delete the strong or these values. If you wanna keep it bold, restaurant, the last word. Okay, this description here, downside you can change it. There are some signatures. This is also again image of signature, image used here. No any physical signatures, this is just image. And image is 150 width with 31 height, very smaller. So you have to make new image in Canva, where you have to custom size, choose custom size, then in the width put 150, in the height put 31. Okay, then you will able to create the same as it is, the size of image. This is the video. So if I click, right click, edit video, If you have a video of your restaurant, then you have to first select the source of your video. If you self host your video, make with a camera, then you have to select here self host. Then you have to choose your video here. You have to upload your video here. Click choose video, upload file, and upload your video. Make sure your video is under the maximum upload file size. But if this is smaller than your video, you have to increase your into your PHP in the back panel. You can search on Google how to increase upload size in WordPress. That will give you step by step. If you have on YouTube, then you have to select here YouTube and select and provide the YouTube link. Otherwise Vimeo, then you have to provide Vimeo link here. That's very easy. Then action button, play button on image. Okay, this is the play button on the image. I will suggest you, otherwise you can set a button here also, play video like something. Okay, but there is no image. I wanna use with play button on image. Where is the image located? Let me click on image overlay. Yeah, here it is, image overlay. You have to select any image behind the someone click here button. So behind is the image, you have to change it here. The here title video journey for Italian, this is the same process. Click, double click, and left side change it. And there in the title there is a video journey BR. BR's tag. BR tag we use to space one step down. Okay, example video journey is in the one row, and next row start from to Italian. So that's why we use bracket BR tag. Don't delete it. If you wanna as it is style, just only delete or change inside words like to Italian, classic cuisine. Otherwise tags you can keep as it is. There is a button. Let me double click on button, and here you can change the name of button from read more to something else, or contact us, like contact us. And in the link I will search for my contact page. I already have contact page, right? Then in the link just delete what is it there. Start typing contact, CONTAC, and immediately it will suggest you downside the pages you have. Select contact us page. That's all. Someone click here, they will go to your contact us. Click me, you can change it from click me. You can provide something else about your restaurant here, or if you wanna someone click here, they go to particular link, then you have to provide link here. Scroll down to recommendation, double click on it, and choose the word here from recommendation, something else. Popular, it can be anything. Popular, choose from our featured meal, choose from, and don't forget to click publish. How you can change the our feature meals, these are actually products, I think. Okay, let me click on right click, edit products. Yeah, this is the product section. So that's why I suggest you can upload your products by visiting under the WooCommerce products, all products, and you have to first clean the old product, because old product comes with the demo content, and you have to provide your own meals or menu products for your restaurant here. Delete all those, bulk edit, bulk select here, move to trash, delete all these. Okay, then start, add new product, and provide about your meal. And when you add, delete, and provide, upload your new products there on the home page, this will automatically change. You don't need to do anything. It will immediately display 3 products here. You can set limit, it will display to only 3 products. You can set limit here, or you can also exclude any of product you don't want to show, in the exclude you have to search that particular product. Example HEN, you can select that, this one I am going to select this one to exclude. I will select it. Now it will hide from here. You can exclude and other will be show after that. Okay, and what else we have? You can also select data source if you want to only display feature product, best sellers. Okay, you can divide all these things. Okay, how to choose the things, which thing is the best seller, which not. Okay, so this is when you add product. Okay, salad. Okay, anything. And description, provide short description about your meal, this particular meal. You can also choose long description if you want to put more detail. Okay, so you can skip this one, sorry for that, this is actually with the AI hosting, sorry for that. That description actually you have to provide here, product description. Okay, when you put salad here, scroll down immediately, don't make changes anything here, but you can make some changes here, like mark this product as new product till date. If you want to mark this product, this is a new product, new meal, salad, then you can select here new. Let me show you here. As you can see here, there is a label new. Okay, then you have to select here new product, until what date you want to display as a new. Then you also can put your product video URL, video of this particular product, but you can only put here YouTube link. Then let's go to layout. Okay, we don't need to make any changes otherwise here. Okay, so let's go ahead to product description, provide description about salad, and scroll down, select here simple product. Okay, and yeah, this will be virtual product. So let me open some other products, and just here in the general, put the price about this particular meal or product. This one, provide only the price here. You have to select general and regular price. And you also can put the product image here, product 360 view. If you have a 360 view gallery images, if you have a product on from other source, you have to provide in the external feature image, otherwise image always put here. You also can put a particular product video here. If you don't wanna here in the display in the product video URL, you can upload video here in the sidebar. Otherwise, click on set product image, and then you have to select that particular product or meal image. Let me select any. Okay, now image, then gallery, you can put more image of this particular product, and then select category. You have to create categories in the products categories option. First create category, then start adding products. Okay, then select your category which belong. Okay, the brands here, if you are not using brand, or if you want to delete all the brand informations, you can delete it. Okay, now let's go ahead and click publish this particular salad. Now let me open into new tab my website if our salad show there. Okay, let me scroll down. Yeah, it's here. Now it comes with the label. We set this label, right? You remember? And now, but the price not showing because we have to make some setting in the WooCommerce setting. We have to follow this one. I think I did not provide the price. Yeah, you have to scroll down, get general, select simple product, general, and price 99. Okay, but there is a sale now for 89. schedule from today till tomorrow. Okay. Okay, now the price will be was 99 but 89. So let me update it. Now I will refresh my home page. As you can see, now it automatically show here the product I add. When you delete older product, start adding your product, it will be display on your home page immediately. So let me simply refresh my home page to show you the price here. Okay, so after the products, let's go to these banners, how we can change them. To change the banners, the process is very same. Either it can be an images or HTML block. So we will check in. Okay, so here we have this banner. So it has videos. So for the banner, we can double click and follow the same process to change. For the videos, let me click on the video. So I will give you right information. Let me right click, edit section title. Okay. Yeah, for the videos you have to click one by one these three sections. For the first box, right click, edit video, and then same process here. You have to choose either video self-hosted, YouTube or Vimeo. For three box, the same process. Let me here, I missed something. If you want to change all these read more sections, click one by one. And here click on background, the background image used here in background. Next one is the again the image. Every time click on background to change it. Even you can adjust the banner height or width like that. Okay, 395. So you want to change organization dinner letters, double click on it, and here subtitle organization title dinner, you can change it. And then let's go to the main one here, double click in the link. If you want to make it clickable anywhere, someone click here, they will go to that particular section, they want to read more. Background change, it's this image. Scroll down to the content section, and content change its best meal ever, competitive business launches, and then description, this one. For the button, keep scroll down, there is a button read more. Okay, so for the button, you also can enable countdown timer on it. If there is any sale, you can enable this countdown timer. So they will see which meal has a deal. So they will have to click here and read more. You have to create different pages for the deals or meals, special offers. You can create those. And then let's here. We already talked about this. This is a product section. And then let's go to testimonial. For the testimonial, the same process. Click on it, testimonial, change the letter for testimonial from our visitor, double click on it and change it here. Testimonial, you want to change it, click on testimonial, and you have to follow the items. Item means these are names of the people. Okay, you have to click one by one and change the person image, scroll down, name, title, company name and description about his reviews. This way you have to click one by one box all. Okay, now let's go to this form, which is important. Click on the form, and you can see here contact form is contact form food. How we can find this form? To find form, we have to go to in the WordPress option contacts, click contact forms, where you will able to change any type of forms. We have contact food form, contact form alternative, contact form 1. We also have contact form on our website contact page. Sorry for that. Okay, so we have to visit contact us page or to change its. Let me click on contact us to check which page or form has been used there, and we will able to change those. To change the form any of these, you have to click one by one, edit all these forms. This form is contact us form used here. Okay, then to change the FAQs, you have to edit the page, edit with Elementor, this contact us page, or you can go to pages, look for contact us page and edit with Elementor, same way. So here you can choose about your store restaurant information, and even you can drag the right latitude and longitude to point it to your restaurant location. But you have to provide here API key in order to enable the map on your website. How to get API key? You can click here, obtain API key, click here, or you can search in the Google API key, how to get a Map API key. So that will give you an information. After you put the map API key here, latitude and longitude, and it will auto get your location. Marker, you can click on marker for the location. Content, as you can see, content at form, contact us info form, this form used content, contact us info form. Okay, so we have to find in the HTML block again, contact us info form. So let me go to HTML blocks, all items. Now we will find HTML for the contact. Here it is, contact us info form, added with Elementor. So this is easy to find HTML blocks. HTML blocks work in any type of website as long as you use Woodmart theme. So now you will able to change the information box or info box here. Our store, you have to click it, go to content, change the information about your restaurant here. Title, description, provide the address. Okay. But for the map, you have to follow it here. When you edit the contact us page, you have to just provide API key to enable it. For the FAQ, scroll down to FAQ section, double click and follow one by one box to change FAQs. Expand it one by one. Okay, contact us form, as you can see which form use here, you have to click within the box anywhere with the mouse, and left side it will show you select contact form, which form selected here, contact form alternative. So let me go back to forms. So we will change our forms because form is very important for any type of business, so we have to configure it correctly. The main important part of the forms, we have to configure its email address where it should be notify when someone fill up the form in the form. So let me edit the contact form alternative, add it. After add it, if you don't want to change anything here like this one, this is the food form, we will also customize it. For the contact form, there is a simple contact form. Okay, so we are not going to change anything in the code form, so but we will click on mail section. As you can see, from address should be same as your website admin. Okay, so this address, where from address should be same as admin. The to address, where should it notify you when you have a new notification, you can provide here email address or Gmail, anything. So the system will notify you on this particular to email, this one. Form, from address, it should be your site uh, title or site email address. Okay, so let me go back to the forms, and now let's talk about this uh, here. We they have select the person, the date and the time to find a table or book a table. So we have to check which code has been used here. Contact form food edit. So I'm sure there is some options choose here, but you have to follow the upper section templates like text. You wanna drag email, they should put email, then you have to click them and fill up the information here. Okay, if you don't have any idea about this, you can select all and then go to ChatGPT to tell your ChatGPT, according based on this code, please write me with these options. And I personally use ChatGPT more a lot. Okay, you can then mail option. You have to provide information where it should be notified when someone make a registration or find a table, where should be notified. Okay, you can provide ask for email address here, then you will able to notify them on the email address. Then you have to, in the form, you have to put here this one, email, and you have to enter email address field and insert tag. Now email address tag will be added somewhere here. Okay, here it is, but where you want to display it, so let me copy this one, copy, I want to display, select the form. Okay, after the time. Okay, so I will drag it here. Okay, let me try drag it here. Now save. Let me try to refresh my home page if there is are changes on the book reservation, or here this form have any changes. So I have to check this one. So let me go to my home page. HTML used, but it give you option to drag some options. Let me scroll down to end. Yeah, here it is. We have email address field, but when you click here email, okay, then you have to put here like default value, placeholder here. Okay, you can provide them example here, and you can make this address field required. Okay, then default value, use this text as placeholder, email address, and now they will see option email address. Now click insert add, insert this field. So let me copy this from and delete it. Okay, so I wanna place it after the there are time numbers, so you have to check it where you wanna drag it. You can try to drag it. Okay, now save. Now I will show you our form will look nice here. As you can see, now there is a placeholder email address. Okay, now it when someone click here, it will notify you. You have to configure it correctly, the to email address and from email address subject. You have to provide three values, then everything will be good. Okay, if you have any question, you can let me know in the comments. But if you wanna try out the simple form, you can, instead of contact form, you can try out WP form. If you wanna make the form drag and drop, then you can check out I have a video on my channel, WP form. You can check that one. Okay, so this way you can design it. Now for the footer section, which is very important. For the footer section, we have to, let me follow here. We have a, when we hover the mouse to the edit with Elementor, you will see footer 1 column light. So that mean column light column used here in the footer section. So how we can change our footer, let me show you quickly. Okay, so you can change here the logo, information and address, where it is this one. So you will able to change this one only. How about this recent post, our story, these are menus. To change these things, you have to come back. After you edit this one, don't forget to click publish to change logo in the footer. Now let's click on customize option in the admin panel. Customize. So we will customize the footer rest items of our store used for links. Those things you will find in the widget option, or you can go to appearance, widgets. Okay, or you can follow you can customize it here in the front end. You have to go to visit section as well here. So let it scroll down, so I will able to show you. Let me click on visits. It will open. Once our page load successfully, then it will show you how many visit has been used in the footer section. There are different elements used in our home page to build it successfully, but some clients they want to have some more pages or to display on it. So that's very easy with the Woodmart, because I'm doing this from years. So let me refresh sometime. My internet connection is slow. Okay, so now let me scroll down to the footer section. You can also follow, if you want to change footer section, these pencil icons, these one by one. Okay, let me go to visit, and let's check out main visit area. Which is main visit area? Yeah, this is actually main visit area is recent post. It's actually Woodmart. Sorry, and the newsletter, what we call it, Instagram post has been used. Let me show you. Okay, this is not, so I have to go to footer column number one, this one. Footer column number one. Yeah, HTML block used. Okay, you can see clearly here. Select block, footer one, column light. Okay, so I have to again go to HTML block, HTML blocks, all items. Now I have to find footer blocks there. So every block you see there a footer, that means those are implement in our footer section. So let me find the footer. Here it is, footer one, column light, added with Elementor. Let's check out which one is it. So we will know which one from these we are going to edit it. But we already see it here, which one used in the visit sections. I think the recent post only been used there. No, this is the same thing. This is the same we earlier added with Elementor here, right? Let me show you. Let me open home page. This is the same HTML block. You also can follow when you hover your mouse to add it with Elementor, footer one, column or light. This one is used in the HTML block. Here the same. To customize the rest, let me check. Go back. Footer column number two. Yeah, this one, the recent post is present in the footer column number two. You have to click within the box. If you want to display more recent post from your in the footer, then you have to select here number of posts to show. You can change it like 3. Now 3 posts will be show here in the footer. Okay, but how if you wanna delete this section and you wanna keep all the menus only, not a recent post, then you have to hover your mouse to the 3 dots options and select delete. This particular item or visit will be deleted. Okay, then we have left our store useful link. You can directly click the icons here and it will immediately open left side. Next one here. If you wanna delete anything, just expand it, scroll down, remove one by one. If you wanna add more item, your own item, click on add item. Then you can choose which page you wanna add in this particular footer menu useful link. This one here. You have to click add item. It will be add. Now let's go to footer menu our store. Let's click edit. In the our store we have all the locations. Okay, but if you not have you don't want to show location or all these things, you can simply delete this particular section. Okay, we have a useful link, header link, we have a lot of visits here. So let me show you where the options are for the footer. For the footer, you can also go to theme settings to check some other options. How many column you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column used. You can make it 3. Okay, but you have to do in the theme settings. Theme setting and select footer here. In the footer, you have to configure how many visit you wanna display there. If you wanna keep only 3, select 3 here, 3 column, scroll down. You can also choose footer background. Okay, you can change many settings in the theme setting option. Footer text color and sticky footer. Okay, you can change all these things. Now you wanna change the copyright text, this one. Okay, to change copyright text section, we already opened the footer section in the theme setting. Then next option, copyrights. Scroll down and you have to change it, copyright text. Pre-footer, the pre-footer is, I already show you earlier, the brands showing. Why the brands are showing there? We don't want to show brands. If I go to any of the product, let me show you here, and I will open any of our item. There are some pre-footer brands showing. So if I click any of product, this one, and then I scroll down, I will show you there are some brands icons. How you can remove it? That's what I want to show you. This one, brands. So I want to remove this one. You can remove it here in the footer, copyright. After you change copyright, pre-footer, you have to simply either you can change it to text or delete it. After you delete, don't select anything, save. You also can create a separate HTML to display there if you want. Now let me refresh. Now there will not be these brands show anymore. Yeah, like that. No brand showing now. Okay. So if you have any question, just let me know in comments. I will definitely reply you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.